Okay. So, what do I have for you today? Why do I keep singing? I'm that excited to keep singing. It's so embarrassing. So, today, thought I would show you some of the bits I've recently got. You will have already seen them on the gram, so you already know, you've already seen, you're about it. But if you want to see the free-flowing item rather than just a pick here, pick there, then I thought, why not? Okay, I'm really not enjoying the notifications. Hands. Basically, I get sent a few bits, not loads, not crazy amount, and by no means am I using this video as a way to be like, hi girls, hi, do you pay for your stuff? I don't. Not at all. It's literally just, I get asked this a lot. I get asked what I get sent, who sends me them, what it's like in person, and I figured, you know what, why not include it in a video so that you guys can all see it. It's easy, I can chat to you whilst I'm showing you instead of, you know, commenting. It's not very personal, is it? So, I thought I would show you some of the bits I've recently got. You will have already seen them on the gram, so you already know, you've already seen, you're about it. But if you want to see the free-flowing item rather than just a pick here, pick there, then I thought, why not? Why the devil not? These are 2 weeks in now, and these are lashes by Tierney Rose. Do you see them? I mean, hello? I don't really know how. Oh my god, a robin literally just came and landed on my window. Not on my window, but like I've got like a wooden side bit, and the robin landed on it, like looked in and then flew off. I don't know if I'm doing very good eyelash modelling, but lashes by Tierney Rose. I have a code here for you, Hans, because I get asked this so often, who does my lashes. She is insane, and I always find, like I've had I've had individual lashes done before, and I find they never really last me because like I rub my eyes and I'm getting impatient. But lashes by Tierney Rose, I have a code AIMS10, and yeah, it gets you $1 off. There you go, send her a follow. This first item is from the Dollz Closet. Oh, of course, also, I only ever agree to doing collabs and PR collabs and things like that, and, you know, review products if I'm allowed to give a 100% honest review on them. And I asked them this, and they say, you know, is it okay? And if they say no, then you immediately know that a brand has something to hide. So I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, you know, this top's really good quality if it's crap. So just keep that in mind. Like, I am serious, I am genuine about the things that I get, and I'm not going to lie to you, because why does that benefit me and why does that benefit you? It just does not. So, first item is from the Dollz Closet. The fit is true to size. I think I got a 10 or a medium. It is the stunning, let me just do this up, not very prepared, am I? It is this stunning pair of snakeskin shorts. So they're like paper bag waist shorts. They go out. They're this stunning snakeskin fabric. It is literally gorgeous. And you know what as well? It's shiny. I don't know if you can see. It's like a silky fabric. Like, they're so nice. And the colours, like, they're so tonal. And they fit true to size. So love, love, love them. The next lot of items are from Femme Luxe Finery, which, if you know me, you know I'm about them. I just think they're crazy affordable. Like, for what they are, they're so affordable, it's ridiculous. You know, you can pick up a dress. On Black Friday, you could get dresses for 99p. But they're not the quality of 99p. Like, well, the items I've had so far have never been. So, first up is this gorgeous chocolate cord. So this is the little top. It's a little crop top with cap sleeves. This I got in a size 10. I got this set in a size 10. So I think they do it, the top and the trousers come together, and you'd pick one size for both, which is in some cases kind of annoying, because you might be a 10 on top, you might be a 12 on bottom, you might be an 8 on top. So like, but to be fair, I would normally pick, if I had the option of ordering them separately, I would pick the top in an 8, and I'm so glad I didn't have that choice, because this is a perfect fit, a 10 is a perfect fit. So I would recommend maybe sizing up, maybe, potentially, although I know I have slightly chubby arms, so maybe that's just what it is, I don't really know. But that's the top, And then the trousers are, again, in this like ribbed, they're both in this ribbed material, which is just so nice. And the trousers are these long, I wouldn't say flared, they're just straight. So they're wide leg trousers, but they're straight. And oh my god, this ribbed material makes your bum look huge. And I'm about it. Seriously, like, they make your bum look insane. Like, I can't even. So I love, love, love these. And I like this colour. Like, I think they did it in like a forest green as well, which I think I might have to get because I love it. But I just thought I'd wear the brown tonal colours more. I don't know whether it's my hair colour. I tend to go for like black, white, brown creams, like, you know, like neutrals. But yeah, they totally had some crazy colours. I think they even do it in a red, maybe a mustard. I know they do it in a black, but I just thought brown was slightly different, something quite nice. So love this. The next thing I was sent from Femme Luxe is this gorgeous, this is going to be hard to show you, but again, you will have seen this on my Instagram, so I'll link all the gram pics down below. But it's this jumpsuit, and it's one shoulder jumpsuit, and then on the waist it's got this cutout with a tie, and again this is straight / wide leg trousers, and I got this in a size 10 as well. This is in like a stretchy, it's not lycra-y, it's kind of lycra-y, a stretchy material, and it's so comfy, but also really flattering. Like, sometimes I worry that it would be too saggy, but not at all. Like, it fits so nicely, so well, and it's really comfy. So thank you Femme Luxe for those, because I love, love, love everything that you've ever sent me. The next few items are from Select. Now, this isn't somewhere that I normally shop, but I have followed them on Instagram for a long, long, long time, and I always think, oh my god, every time I go into the shop, I can't find anything I like, but on the gram, their outfits always look so nice. So I was like, do you know what, whatever. And they were kind enough to send me some bits for Christmas, with the idea in mind that I'd be wearing something for like Christmas Day, something to a Christmas market, and something for an Xmas party. So, I'm excited. First item is this dress. Now this I got in a size 10, and it is a basically like a wrap dress. It's tight in the stretchy material, and it's glittery, like, ugh. And I love that it's like a bronzy effect to it. Lovely wrap dress. It's got a slit, kind of comes down into a V, and this is stunning on stunning. So yeah, I normally get put off by fabric like this, but honestly, I'm living for it. It reminds me of like the kind of dresses that you'd wear to like a school disco, or the tights with the glitter in them. But seriously, I'm living for it. I think we need to bring it back. So nice. So the next item is possibly my favourite item ever, and I've been wearing it religiously. So this one I got in a size 8. A little bit tight, could have done with a 10, but you know, it is this roll neck jersey t-shirt jumper, if you will, long sleeved, and the look. How cute! Honestly, tucked into like a pair of, you know, wide leg trousers, a pair of ripped jeans. It's so cute with like a little skirt and like a MAC just thrown over the top. Like, oh my god, honestly, is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It's totally something I can imagine like Rachel from Friends wearing. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh, honestly, I die. So this is so, so, so cute, and I'm living for this right now. And then the last thing they sent me was this jumper dress, which was 20. Oh, they have prices on them. Okay, so the roll neck jumper thing was $11.99. Oh, I got a bargain. The dress, $16.99, so £17 for a Christmas party dress, which is not bad. And then this next thing is $19.99, so the most expensive. So it's a jumper dress. Sorry if I can't show you this very well. It's a jumper dress with like a ribbed neckline. And it's an oversized jumper dress as well. Goes into these sort of like balloon style sleeves with this fur. Oh my god, of course it's not real fur, don't worry. But it's stunning, little fluffy. And I just think that detail is something a little bit extra. Like, you could always pop it on with a belt to bring it up and put it with thigh-high boots. Or you could alternatively wear it with like a pair of trainers or like little ankle boots. I just love it. I think it's something, it would look really nice with like, I really do think like a belt and some boots would just be so nice. Even something that I could probably see myself wearing on Christmas Day. So yeah, I do love that. I think that's really cute. So thank you so much, Select. They're honestly such a nice company. And I very rarely buy Select in stores. but after, you know, feeling the quality of their products, actually really, really nice. And I think I'll be going in and having a dig around. I think it's one of them things you have to look for something. It's not just going to jump out at you. Have an idea of a style in mind. But yeah, so they were 3 parcels that I received recently. I haven't shown you guys yet. I mean, I don't know, I get so many questions about showing you guys things like this, that if you are interested and you do want to see more often, then please do leave me a comment, drop me a DM, whatever. Give me a thumbs up and let me know, and I'll create these more regularly. I'll show you what I get on a regular basis, because I'd say roughly I probably get around 2 to 3 parcels a week. Maybe a give or take, like some weeks I get nothing, some weeks I get a few. And again, it's not me going, oh, I get this, this, this. I work very hard to be fortunate enough to receive items from brands that don't have to gift me, but it's so lovely that they do, and I'm forever grateful for that. And it's so rewarding to know that, like, doing something I just love doing anyway, I get gifted for. So it's crazy, but I love it. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, and if you do want me to create more content like this, then please do give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below if you have any questions about any of the products you've seen, or any of the brands you want more info on sizing and such. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying the festivities of Christmas. Tomorrow's video is a festive one. Not saying anything more, but it is a very, very Christmassy one. So watch out. I'm coming for you. I love you all, and I hope you're having a great December. Bye!